Hi folks, it's John again, and I'm looking at a resurface or potential replacement of a deck. Now, the first thing I want to look at here are the stairs, the steps themselves. Now, there's a few issues here. Number one, if you take a look, there's a space here between the stair tread over here and underneath the tread, this air gap in this area here. Now that's against code. There should be a rise that comes down across the front of this so that kids in particular can't squeeze through here and possibly fall and hurt themselves. The other thing that I'm a little concerned about is this is the stringer over here. Notice the crack. The one up above is also cracked, so that's another issue. The one above that one is cracked. That happens a lot when the nails get put into these stringers too close to the edge. The nail will actually pop right through the stringer. So in this particular case, I would recommend to the homeowner that we replace the steps themselves. So what that would include would be to replace the stringers so that we have some new stringers. Over here they don't look too bad. But new stringers, number one. We're going to put some new treads on here, either a wood tread or a composite tread. Now, if we use a composite tread, one of the things that we have to do is we need more stringers in order to hold a composite tread. Every 12 inches, there should be a stringer. So there would be one about here, one over here, and then one on the end. That would hold a composite tread. Now, if it's a wood tread, I would at least put a center stringer here. This is just too big of a span, and what may happen over time is this board will start to give and start to belly. But that would be my recommendation on what to do with this set of steps, would be to reframe it and replace the entire set of steps.